So, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will talk about trends. So, what is trends? Actually, trends means the thing is going very famous on any platform. Actually, suppose I have a website called abcd.com. Okay, now in my website, people are actually posting much about digital marketing or CPA marketing. My website trending topic is digital marketing. I hope you have understood it. It is a clear method I have said you. So this is the way the trend happens. Okay. So now what we will do with these trends? You guys know that if we promote any offer like gift card or PayPal gift card or any other email or gift submit offer in CPA, and also on affiliate marketing we sell many related product like iPhone or any other topics. Also iPhone offers is available on CPA marketing. This called sweepstakes marketing, where actually sweepstakes marketings are mostly got leads in CPA marketing more than other offers. Okay, you can also promote your sweepstakes offer at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Actually, you can get more leads more than other offers on sweepstakes offer. Sweepstakes offer means iPhone related offer, win a iPhone, win a gift card related offer. So this type of offers called sweepstakes offers. This type of offers got high value on Max Money or any other big network CP networks. Actually, on CP Grip or CP Lead, they don't have much the sweepstakes related offer actually, and they don't pay much for the lead. So now we will go for how we can target the trend of any platform like Google. You can see this is the image how to win a PayPal gift card $500 that he have received it. But actually this is one person will win it. Actually this type of offers are CPA related. This is our channel logo. Now you can see I am now on Google Trends. So what Google Trends, I hope that you have already heard this website name if you are a marketer since about uh, CPA marketing and you have already visited this website, you know already about it. Actually people don't know that Twitter also have a trending option on their actual website. Okay, they don't have a trend.pinterest.com or trend.google.com on the first of the link, but they have also a option of trends. Okay, this is actually how you can promote your offer and know who is trending topic are going on in your country or any other. Okay, you can also use VPN for here, and I highly support VPS for using get the targeted trending topics in your area. So if you come first on Google Trends, you can get the all search term of people. Suppose I search for iPhone. Okay, you can see here is some option and the interest over time. That doesn't mean that people are you can see on January on at here on the box January 16 the iPhone related interest is 84. That doesn't mean only 84 searches has been searched on Google about iPhone. Actually this is not, it is a interest over time. Okay, it doesn't mean the search. And you can see on here there is similar options. We can target another country at here like worldwide also available, and suppose I choose India and click at here double, then they will show the analytics of India. The interest, you can see here the interest is always in 100. Okay, so this time it's go on 100 on September 18. We can also search for iPhone 40. This is a new product of iPhone. You can see you can also choose past hour and past 4 hours past day, and you can get the analytics from 2004 to present time. Okay, and you can also choose the category, but it doesn't need sometime. And you can also search web search, image search, news search, and other like here we suppose iPhone. I search for iPhone image. Okay, iPhone 30 image, and now I am searching it on Google. And if I choose image search, they will be give data related to this option. Okay, and also if we choose the YouTube, there is also YouTube search available, and Google news search is available at here, and Google Shopping is another platform of Google. If we choose YouTube, then they will give the search analytics. I suppose search for how to get a free iPhone. Okay, now on the YouTube search you can see the interest of people. People was highly interested on April 3, 2022, related to the first 12 months analytics report is here. Now if I choose 90 days, the 3-month report is available at here. Okay, this is the 3-month report, and the country is from India. If we go down at here, there is no information about it. If we choose worldwide, now we can see interested by region, that means the country. The United Kingdom has been searched for this keyword on YouTube for highly time. If we search for web search, the website report, and from Nigeria there is most people available from here, and they also give the related queries and related topics, like this is a Samsung Galaxy mobile phone and other topics about here. If you want to know about this computer program topic, click at here. Now they will give the worldwide 90 days computer related things. Okay, you can see the analytics is going very high, the computer program related topics on worldwide. If I choose United States, now you can see the analytics looks funny actually. It's like a mountain, uh, line by line. Okay, serially arranged mountains. Okay, this is very funny. So this is the way how you can also compare the search term between this and this. Okay, and now I will show you Twitter. If you want to visit Google Trends, then search for here on the search box trends.google.com. This is the URL. Okay, this is the URL. Now our second website is Twitter. So Twitter doesn't have a link like trend.google.com. You can see actually you have to search for twitter.com/i/trends. Okay, That's enough. Also, you can search for on Google for Twitter trends. Now, they will give you this link, and if you click at here, you will be redirected to this link. Okay, the same link. So you have to use VPN, or they will show you the current location of your location and that related trends on your country. You can see in Bangladesh there is the breakup chapter is very trending. Also, if a new movie or new drama published on the country, the trend was related to that. I hope you have understand it. And this is the search term of there is no basically actually there is no any other feature I will show you. And you can see the location, show the content in this location, or you can uncheck it and use another location at here for United States. Search this, and now they will show you the United States related trends at Twitter. So this is a simple way you can use. And the third website is Pinterest. It looks like Pinterest, but you can see the link trends.pinterest.com. Okay, this is the trend.pinterest.com. Here you can get the Pinterest is also a social media like Facebook and Twitter, the same version like social media of Facebook. I have also already showed you how you can promote your CPA or affiliate offer on Pinterest. Very easy to use it. And our next thing is we have to search for keyword, and first give the country location here and search for a gift card. Okay, I have searched for gift card. Sorry, this regularly. Okay, now you can see the charts available at here. Now if I choose this chart, you can see the trending of this at here. And if we go on 3 months, and you can also give the setup date and in date. Okay, now there is also some related terms like Google Trends. They give us the interested subregions and related topics, related queries. They give us the on Pinterest. They give related trends, and also they give the age of people are interested at here. You can see female. Actually, gift card related offers mostly famous on Pinterest for females, and you can see the -5% are available for men, and other the custom unspecified 50%, and the age of 25 to 34 are mostly searched for gift card on Pinterest. If you publish a ad for Pinterest, and you can use this type of information on your ad, and then you will get more lead on Pinterest ads. And there is also a website called Bing Keyword Research. So what is Bing? Or you can search for Bing Webmaster. Bing is also a search engine tool like Google. You can see there is a search box, and Google also have a search box at here. I am recently using Google Chrome. The setup search engine is Bing. You can see the bing.com. So what is trending on Bing? They don't have an train.bing.com, website like google.com. They don't have a website like this. They actually, we have to go on their keyword research tool. Okay, bing slash sorry, slash not slash, actually bing.com webmasters. Then you can start finding the actual topics and other things. So another thing I have to tell that some people of you don't watch my videos and don't like it, and also do not give subscribe. I make videos very hardly and try to give you some extra information about some websites. Actually, you guys don't subscribe. I think I see that more than 80%, 85% people subscribe my channel. So we have worked very hard, and if you don't subscribe, I don't have to do in my hand, nothing in my hand. I try my best for making videos. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. I personally request you. Thank you. And this is the video was today. If you like this video, then give a like and comment on this video and subscribe. Thank you.